This week, Parashat Shemot, we are studying new Sefer Shemot. Very interesting that the name of this Sefer is Shemot. What does Shemot mean? Elle Shemot. One person would say, because the second word in the Sefer is called Shemot. But everybody knows that the names in Hebrew has a lot of meaning to it and a lot of depth into it. Now, why this Sefer is called Shemot? What does Shemot mean? Shemot means names. We have one of the children of Noach was called Shem. Shem means name. Why is it called name? It's very funny to call somebody name. You don't call somebody name. What's the name? Name. What do you mean? You call somebody name. What do you mean by name? Name doesn't have any meaning. Tell me, what's the name? Therefore, the Shem is Shem or is it Shemot, names? Therefore, the only way to understand something is called Shemot names means this Sefer is a source of all of the names. That's why it's called names. Why? Because what are the names? What's name? In Hebrew, names are not agreement to be called something. In Hebrew, names are the essence of that thing. That's it. If in Hebrew we call this object table shulchan and we call chair kise, it's not just agreement that this object should be shulchan. In English, you could change it. It's an agreement. If everybody would agree that we call chair table chair, we could do that. Nothing moves. I promise you, nothing would happen. Just a little confusion, but everybody gets it. But in Hebrew, if you change the name of this object from shulchan and kise, change them. You change the essence of them. Because shulchan is not just the modification of this object. Shulchan shin lamed hat nun has all of the framework of the table. All of the architecture of the table is in this word. Kise, same thing. Bayit, but you have all of the architect of the house, all of the power, all the ceiling, all of the what has to be done is in this. If a person knows Kabbalah, you could learn from Bet Yud Tav, all of the architect of making a home, making a house. Because every name in Hebrew are essences. Now, this Sefer of Shemot, this Sefer, what does the Sefer talk about? They talk about creation of Am Yisrael. So many people come and make Am Yisrael with the hardship of Paro with Am Yisrael, and they come out Am of Hashem. They receive the Torah, they make the Mishkan. And at the end, they make the Mishkan. This is the real essence of this world. HaKadosh Baruch Hu created this word Breshit, Sefer Breshit, to get to destination of Shemot. Shemot is what? Creating Am Yisrael, having Torah, having Shekhinah. That is the real essence of this world. The name of the Sefer is Shemot. Any name, any cult, any organization, anything that has to do with this idea of having Torah, having Shekhinah, that's the real name that exists. That's the real essence. But something that got nothing to do with Shekhinah, got nothing to do with Hakadosh, got nothing to do with Am Yisrael. It's the illusion and delusion of reality. It's not real. It doesn't have a real name. The name is just the matter of illusion. It's not real. It doesn't have dimension in reality of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, in reality of the world. Therefore, anything connected to this idea, therefore, all of us also. If my business is connected to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it's real. If my relationship is related to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it's real. If my wife, my connections are related to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it's real. My children, it's real. If not, it's not. Therefore, that's the name. Now, it's very interesting enough to know, in the beginning of the Sefer, there's a story of Shifra and Puah. Shifra and Puah, they are midwives in Mitzrayim, and Paro wants to destroy the Israel, tells them, you should do that. That's Yocheved and Miriam. Now, it's interesting. Yocheved and Miriam are prestigious ladies in the community. Now, the wife of Amram and the daughter of Amram, the Gadol Hador, but Torah doesn't introduce them as the Miriam and Yocheved, Shifra and Puah. Now, why is it called Chazal Shifra and Puah? Shifra means B'Shaperet, the one that changed the diaper, and Puah, the one who makes noise, Puah, to make the child happy, to make him not to cry. Therefore, the function that they have, how to deal with the children and to behave the children for these two prestigious ladies is a much better name than that prestigious name that they have. That's the essence of ladies of the Har Israel. The real function of a lady is not to be daughter of such a person or have such a prestigious honor and kavod. The real kavod is the fact that makes the Jewish home. Jewish home is dealing with the children, getting to their need, shifra pu. Now, what does Torah tell us about shifra and pu? That wants that they should destroy the boys, and they sacrifice themselves. You have to understand, the entire of the world tells you not to do something, and you don't do it, you're putting yourself in sakana. Very big danger. What? But they said to Pharaoh, who could accept something like that? They should be scared to death to do that, to not to listen. But they were Mussar nefesh. They didn't do. And what did HaKadosh Baruch do? Hashem made for them batim. Rashi says, what does batim mean? They take Kehuna or Malchut. Malchut from Miriam and Kehuna and Leviah from Yocheved. The Sefer of Essences tells us, if you want to have real essence in life, you have to be Mussar nefesh. If you do Mussar nefesh like Shifra and Puah, through being Mussar nefesh, through sacrificing yourself for Bahal Israel, for others, person who lives in a society feels you grab more, you get more, you be more selfish, you have more of yourself. But Sefer of Essences, Shemot tells us right in the beginning, if you want to have batim, you want to have nitzchiyut, you want to have what you think progression in life is when you give over yourself. The more you give, the more you get. The more you get, the less you are. That's the Sefer of Shemot, the Hin of Shemot, that's the Batim, and that helped the Har Israel to go through life. And they weren't afraid of anybody except Hashem. And that helped them to carry themselves in life. And that's why the Sefer is called Shemot, the Sefer to bring out the essence of the Har Israel, what they did and what they accomplished. They have Torah and mitzvot and Shekhinah among themselves.